Greetings from the most central beach in Stockholm that has been put live very recently, and now you can actually take a dip in central Stockholm, just few meters away from Gamla Stan, the old city. And I just can't believe it took that many years to make this happen. So this is the part of the beach that's called Kai Balkongen, the Kai balcony, where there is a one pot, as I would say, small pool to take a swim. Otherwise it says that it's forbidden outside of that area because of waves, but I would have no problem to visit that one. Here is the sandy part of the beach, as you can see, and there are also many, around 20 sunbeds, I would say, to enjoy. So with this wonderful view, it's so perfect to take a dip on a hot day like this. It is 8:30 a.m., so very early in the morning. So I am very early for beach adventures today, and I am going to explore today a lot, but I wanted to start today with this Playa de Gamla Stan with a quick dip. As you can see, there are super wonderful views of central Stockholm. That is Mälaren on that end. We can see all the way to Kungsholmen even in the background, and this is Holmen, another island that's in between the super central area of Stockholm and Gamla Stan. And this is the pool that you can swim in, and it is diving is forbidden. So we're gonna see what is the temperature over there. So they have built this to so that you won't have waves, but today the water is super clean, so you definitely won't need something to to save you from the waves. Okay, let's see the temperature before we go in. 22 degrees Celsius in the air, I mean in the lake. 22 in the lake and 23 in the air, so it's perfect for a quick dip indeed. And I'm gonna be one of the first people to take a dip here. But I really want to jump on that water as well, but for now I'm just gonna see how it is. Only 160 it says, so ready, set, and go! So it's 160 and I am 184, and the floor is slippery. So I wouldn't call this the best beach spot there is, but yeah, it's good to chill down on a summer hot day like this on this Monday, 28th of July. Today. So the water is tests are being taken of the water almost every day here, so the water is clean despite being in a super central area indeed. Okay, so that is a wrap from the most central beach in Stockholm, Playa de Gamla Stan. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to take a dip here if you are visiting Stockholm. I think this will be open also in the winter, which may be perfect for a nice dip. But yeah, closest station is Gamla Stan, just 50 meters away. And thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.